Hello, my name is Cheese Gaming and I'm playing Cat Mario. What? What is this? Whoa, this is pretty much easy. I love like this. I love playing this rage games. What? I can't jump. Oh yeah. Yes. What? Cat Mario. It's me. I'm coming. Whoa. I'm jumping. Jump. 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 Yes. 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 No. I sometimes can talk like at my normal language. I'm from Dacia. Yes, 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 yeah. No, okay. No, what does do? Jump, jump, jump. I'm telling you to jump, you freaking idiot. I'm telling you to jump. You can't jump so high, okay? What the? Yes, 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 no, yes, yes, no, what? Yes. Yes. I'm the best gamer ever. Checkpoint. Checkpoint. Yes. Yes. Checkpoint. Now I can jump. Yes. Yes. Checkpoint. I managed to get it. What is... Yes. What the... Yes. Make it work. Yes. Yes. But no, you can't stop me. Yes, I'm going to get out of here. What? No! I'm trapped. Guarantee. Okay. Yes. Yes. I managed to live. Yes. Yeah. I don't go down. Okay. There it is. Yes. Yes. I'm the best gamer ever. Yes. Yes. What? I didn't know that it's freaking cloud. Why didn't you tell me this? Make believe. Yes. 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 What is wrong with you, Cat Mario? Jump. Yes. Do this. What? Oh yeah. These big ball heads. Yes. Fuck you. Why did you tell me just? Oh yeah. Can't tell me. You big ball guy. Yes. 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 No. Yes. 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 I managed to get it alright. What the hell? So cheesy and sneezy. I so much hate these rate games. I know these Chinese games are not good for my soul. I'm just joking. Yes. Do it. What are you doing, Cat Mario? We agree you can't do anything. Ah! Freaking Cloud, I forgot. I say this. I just can't look at this. Yes. No. Yes. No. What are you doing, Cat Mario? Yes. Yes. No. No, I'm such an idiot. Yes. I'm the best gamer ever. Ah! What is that? Got 2 minutes to get it all right. I can't jump. Ah! I'm the best gamer ever. You know that? I think you know it. What are you doing, Cat Mario? Jump! What are you doing? Jump! Ah, fucking. Yes. Oh. No, yes. Cat Mario, what are you doing? Yes. Yes. What are you doing? Cat Mario. What? I jumped on his ball head. No, yes. What are you... Cat Mario. We agree you can't jump down the river. You don't listen to me, alright? Okay, let's do it. Yes. What are you doing, Cat Mario? Jump. Yes. Cat Mario, jump. Yeah, that is how it's done. Yes. What are you gonna do now, idiot? What? What is that? The freaking dolphin killed me. I hate this freaking game. I don't know what I should do. But guys, this game is so freaking annoying. Yes, I'm the best gamer ever. So guys, I think So guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. Bye. Not bye yet. No, I think I won't get it out. Yes, I'm the best gamer ever. Yes. Yeah. Bye. I think I'm gonna end it here. Bye.